Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits, where you can make one small change and watch a video a day. It doesn't cost you any money, only costs you a little bit of time, and you're going to help improve your ACT score by improving your math ACT score. So there's the rundown of the math section of the ACT, and let's get back into it for today. All right, I think today we're going to be able to use a Desmos hack. So it says, let the function f be defined as f of x equals negative 9x squared in the standard xy coordinate plane. Right? We've seen that verbiage before. That just means in our, our standard graphing plane that you see all the time. Then it says the graph of y equals f of x undergoes a transformation such that the result of the graph of y equals f of x minus 4. Okay, so that's a lot, right? So basically they're saying, okay, we have this graph f of x, and this is negative 9x squared, and then now we're going to define a new function as y equals, again, our same function from before, f of x, the negative 9x squared, but now we're going to do a minus 4 with it. And then so it says, under this transformation of the graph is. Okay, so how is this being transformed? So again, we can use Desmos for this. If you understand what's actually happening here, right, this minus 4, this would be a vertical translation. So when we're adding or subtracting a constant, that just moves our graph up or down, right? So if it's negative, it's moving it down. But right, you're on a test, you're stressed, you forgot that. Well, let's jump into Desmos and let's just put everything right into Desmos, and Desmos can help us answer this question. So it's a bit clunky to put it in because I have to go to the typing, the keyboard there, which is kind of annoying, right? Okay, so there's our first piece, right? F of x equals 9x squared. So then it says, okay, we have a new function we're calling y, but it's containing that same function that we started with, f of x. This is kind of dumb. It made them both the same color. Let's see if I can change these colors here. There we go. Red. Okay. So now we can at least see the difference. And then it's telling us that it's using this transformation of minus 4. So now that I put in the minus 4, right, we can see like our blue functions where we started, and then the new one that they transformed is red. And you can see here, right, the vertex used to be at this location 0, 0. Now the vertex is at 0, negative 4. And every single ordered pair has been pushed down like that by 4 units. So look at our choices, shifted downward 4 coordinate units, right? I don't even need to read the rest of them, but I guess you could just to be safe. Left, nope. Horizontally, nope. Vertically, nope, right? So it just went down 4 units. All right, so thanks for watching, everyone. I know that ACT math prep is not the most exciting stuff out there. However, right, we're here to learn about the ACT, learn some math, and get a Desmos hack just like today when we can. It's going to help us improve our ACT math score. That's what's going to make your future self happy. When you take this and it's a little bit easier and you get a better score. So thanks for watching, everyone.